Welcome back, rail fans. Today we're at the Indiana Rail Experience Open House in Hudson, Indiana. This open house, hosted by the Indiana Northeastern Railroad and the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society, is a fantastic display of many ages and types of railroad motive power. Among the locomotives present today is the famous nickel plate road number 765. We'll focus on the Berkshire steam engine as she pulls a train for visitors from here in Hudson to the town of South Milford, 11 miles west, and back again. At 2 p.m., the train departed Hudson. For the outbound trip, GP9 diesel engine 1602 pulled the consist. By 2:40 p.m., the train had reached South Milford. Ten minutes later, the train departed South Milford and headed back east. Next, we met up with the train at County Road 1100 East. Then we stopped at Bronson Road along with a large crowd of photographers. Finally, we returned to Hudson to watch the train's arrival. I hope you enjoyed this look at Engine 765 at the open house. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, feel free to leave a comment and share this video with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I'll see you all again soon, and thank you for watching.